In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SEO meta titles and descriptions with ChatGPT. If you want your webpage or blog post to look more appealing in search results, writing strong meta tags is an important step. A good meta title helps search engines and readers understand what your page is about, and a well-written meta description can encourage more people to click. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to use ChatGPT to speed up that process while still making sure the final result matches your content. To begin, open ChatGPT and clearly describe your web page or blog post. Give enough context so the tool understands the purpose of the page. For example, explain what the article covers, what the main idea is, and what kind of information the reader will find. The better your description is, the more relevant the suggestions will be. Next, provide the main topic, your target keyword, and the audience you want to reach. This is important because SEO meta tags should not only include the keyword naturally, but also speak to the right type of reader. If your content is aimed at beginners, professionals, shoppers, or a local audience, that context can shape the wording and improve the final result. Once you've shared that information, ask ChatGPT to create an SEO meta title. You want a title that is clear, concise, and focused on the keyword without sounding forced. A good title should quickly tell both users and search engines what the page offers. After that, ask ChatGPT to create a meta description. This should briefly summarize the page in a natural and engaging way. A strong description gives readers a reason to click while still accurately reflecting the content on the page. Then, request several versions of both the meta title and the meta description so you can compare options. This is a helpful step because the first version is not always the best one. Seeing multiple variations makes it easier to find wording that sounds natural, matches your brand voice, and highlights the most important benefit of the page. From there, choose the version that is the clearest and most keyword focused. Prioritize something readable and accurate over something that feels overly optimized. SEO works best when the language is useful for real people. Before you publish anything, edit the meta tags so they match your content accurately. This final review matters because your title and description should set the right expectation for visitors. Once you're happy with them, add the final meta title and meta description to your website's SEO settings, and your page will be ready for search engines and users alike.